Hey y'all, just doing a quick live. I promised last week if we had a good response, I would definitely come back and do a little video. So I said, what the heck? So I came back today, see what was going on, and ready to do this live. Let people come in a little bit, see what's going on. Let's see. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Let's give it a minute and see if people come. If not, we'll do this little reading and we'll get out of here. Nobody checking for you. Nobody checking for you. That happens. Oh, got one person in the chat. That's cool. Hey, chat person. Oh yeah, fam, we are. I'll show you in a second here. Talk about some things. Hey, Thomas, what's going on, sir? Sierra, I thought I always say something good. What's up, Denise? What's up, Miss Denise? Miss Calendar's into Hughes. Lisa B, hey, hey. Paris Patrick, hey, bro, hey, hey, Kenneth, hey, sir, hey, what's going on? Yep, as I promised last week, we got tons of likes, tons of new people. So I thought I'd come back, clear up a few things. Not clear up. I do a little talk. We talk digital transformation, and I think part of that digital transformation talk is yeah. I mean, I'm not back on YouTube. Let's not go all the way there. Hey, Bo. Bo from ATL. Hey, Efron. I'm not back doing 100% YouTube. I just made a promise. If the likes are there, the support's there, and hey, guys, if it's there, I'll do it because these are all I'm not these are I don't get paid from these anymore. My channel is what do you call that? I need to get back monetized. So I don't care about doing YouTube. That's not why I'm here. Hey Robin, what's going on? Hey Sarah. So, I care about good information and gang, when you see me. Hey, when you see me, you know. Hello, Brando, gang. What's going on? Puerto Rico, trying to get there, brother. Trying to get there. Headed down there pretty soon, too. Hopefully soon. But yeah, I thought, like I said before, when I see the information, this is what's crazy to me. We took something so simple as an investment, and some people have salacialized it so much that instead of things just being simple and easy to explain, they're not. And they make it hard to understand. And there has to be some grandiose story. So I thought I'd come on here today and I'd talk about this whole Forex debacle because it seems like it's quite confusing to people. Hey, Ramon. Hey, Mrs. Haynes or Mr. Haynes, sir, Olivia. George Garrett is in the house. George is in the house. So I thought I'd come on here and I'd explain what this whole Forex thing is. And I thought I'd do it pretty simple terms so I would make it real easy for people. And the simple answer to things is always the easiest answer. Okay. So I got my trusty iPad here. What I thought I would do is I'd play a little game with you, right? Oh, yeah. And for all you guys that are wondering if I'm on anything, yes, I do videos every week. Every week I do a video. I just do it for the group. Hey, Pammy. Group says what the group says, allows me to do, the group does. So let's talk about dinar and Forex. Dinar and Forex today. Okay. IQD2 Forex is not the IQD on Forex. Okay. So this is your IQD. It says it's on a handle for Forex. Hey, yeah, I'm not accepting any new members. All memberships are done. Aloha, aloha. But I still think you deserve some good information. So you don't have to join. It's cool. But I just, keep you abreast of what's going on, right? And I will, Mary. She's up there on her job. So if you go to the Googler Schmoogler, which is basically a glorified AI, right? You say, hey, Google, is the Iraqi dinar on Forex yet? At this time, Forex.com does not offer trading in Iraqi dinar. Hey, Angel, good to see you. Good to see you too, brother. Good to see you, Polly. So you say, well, Brando, that's weird because there's all these rumors and all these people were saying stuff. And, I don't know what's going on. They were talking about major announcements. So here's the short and skinny. Biker Kim, what's going on, baby? Iraqi dinar The Iraqi Dinar is on handle Forex. Handle definition in trading, the term handle has two meanings, depending on which market you are referring to. In most markets, it means the whole numbers involved in a quoted price, without the decimals included. In Forex, it refers to the part of the quote that you see both in the buy and the sell. Okay? Good to see you too, Jeffrey. Wanda, good to see you. Forex trading, handle refers to the part of the quote that appears both in the bid and the ask price. I'm going to give you an example. If currency pair can be bought for 1.6456 and sold for 1.6400, then its handle is 1.64. Get it? Handles are especially relevant to spot in forward Forex markets. The major thing that people have to understand here is that it's major in the forward, in the future, because it's not on the regular Forex, which is okay. If it's on the futures market, guess what? It means now you know for sure that there is a future to talk about. And remember last week when I was on here and I said, guess what? If you're going to sell your dinars, sell them to me. Look at what the PM comes and announces last week. Hold your dinars, hold your dinars, hold your dinars. Its value will be loftier than most other currencies, including the dollar. Okay? A forward market is a marketplace that offers financial instruments that are priced in advance for future delivery. Okay? It tends to be referred as the foreign exchange market. That's what we're all involved in, right? But it can also apply to securities, commodities, interest rates. How much, and this is the question that I had to ask, how much is one handle Forex in IQD right now? One handle Forex is worth about 17.26. So to show you what I'm speaking of, if you go down here, if you scroll down a little bit and you say exchangerates.org live dinar rates, right? Let's see if we can find a handles market. You can't, right? So if you go over here to, where is Coinbase, right? Convert, I'm showing you this, convert handle. Now, you have to be a Coinbase holder, right? And then you can go here and quite simply see that the one handle, right? Forex is 18.14. To do this, you have to be a member of Coinbase and then play in the futures. That would impact the price because then that on that futures market, you're betting whether it's going to go up or whether it's going to go down. You play it like an options price. Okay. Now, this market is a marketplace that offers financial instruments that are priced in advance for future delivery. In trading, especially within the context of futures, commodities, or financial markets, the term handle usually refers to the whole number part of the price quote, leaving out the decimal fraction. It doesn't specifically indicate future expectations or predictions about the direction in which the price might move. Instead, it's part of a terminology used to describe current or historical prices more succinctly. However, if you're referring to handle in the context like Ariel, and that is Ariel, as a specific future or term that might signify an expectation or future events in trading, it seems that there might be a misunderstanding or mix-up of terms. Much how I think there's been a big mix-up in terms about the value of the currency being on Forex. It's not on Forex. So I don't know why people are making up these things saying there's back channel this and why do people have to make things sensationalized? Why can't it just can't be the simple answer, which is this? Now, future traders involve contracts for assets like commodities, currencies, financial instruments to be bought or sold at a predetermined future date and price. Traders speculate on the direction in which they believe. Another thing that I learned today from one of my members was that currencies can be involved in what's called pocket options. So maybe this is part of that. It's challenging to provide a precise explanation for handle Ariel in the realm of futures trading. It does not appear to be standard terminology in finance or in trading based on information. Ariel refers to a specific product concept or term introduced from another update. Okay, so that's not significant. But I hope that clears up the misconception of the Forex market. I hope that you get now. It's the handle market, which is the futures. Now, I'd never seen the handle market on Coinbase before until the specific announcements. Till I started reading these news of the sensational stuff. But if you go down further in my report today, I do want to tell you guys that the GDP is super important. The GDP has grown. The current account surplus of the balance of payments is relative to GDP, and it's positive 8%. Remember, GDP is important because it all has to do with trade. The real growth rate in Iraq's non-oil GDP is 6%. Again, awesome. Now, if you take it what those comments that Saleh said, there are several key factors in underpinning the strength of the Iraqi economy, particularly outside the oil sector, and a hint at the potential for the Iraqi dinar to appreciate in value. There is a breakdown. I'm not going to read you the full breakdown, but it's a strong foreign currency reserve, current account surpluses, all things they've done, real growth GDP, right? Commercial efficiency and reserves coverage. The standard of most places is only 3 months. Iraq has 15 months worth of reserves. If they're going to be shocks to the market, why do you think they would put 15 months of reserves on hold just so they have it? They have so much reserves in Iraq, they can cover it in the domestic currency and in their foreign reserves. Why would they have so much if they weren't preparing for some type of shock to the market? Especially now that you can see it being put on a futures platform. See, this is why it's so simple. Hey, what's good, King? Conclusion. For the dinar to exceed its current value, the country must continue to build on the strengths, key actions, continuously seeking avenues to increase foreign reserves through diversified income sources, reducing reliance on oil by supporting other sectors like agriculture, technology, and manufacturing, implementing reforms to improve the ease of doing business, attract foreign investment, and encourage private sector development, improving infrastructure and investing in education, healthcare to support economic growth. And then, investing in the human side of anything is smart. By focusing on these areas, Iraq can not only ensure the dinar's stability, but its potential to increase in value. And this is going to help the overall prosperity of the entire economic ecosystem of Iraq. Yeah, I am an OG at this. Thank you, sir. I ain't going to give you guys too much. Again, we can do this next week again. Get more people, share the video, whatever you want to do. If you want to hear what I would say a real plan, someone that actually does these for a living, instead of going back to guesswork, put a like, subscribe. If not, keep scrolling. It's okay. I'm okay with that. I'm cool with 2024. If you look at everything I said between March 17th all the way through April 1st, if you know what those dates entail, yes, you got Ramadan, but remember, Kuwait didn't they? Well, if you know, you know. But anyway, the idea here is that Ramadan doesn't stop or start anything. What's happening is in simple terms, very explainable. You've got the PM telling these people to hold your dinars. Hold your dinars. What did he say? What did he say? He said, please hold your dinars. With this digital transformation, March 24th through the April 1st, if you know, you know. I don't need to explain it because then it'll be on every other denarian subject for here to hell and high water. So I'm not doing that. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. If you don't know, you need to be with someone and follow people that do know. But if you don't, it's cool. You just need to work at it a little bit. You know what I mean? So many good things. The imminent ascension of Iraq to the WTO means a fully convertible currency. I cannot stress it enough. You want to say, what's the drop dead date? What's the linchpin? What's the big deal? Oh, that's horrible, Mr. Metcalf. You want to know the drop dead date? The actual ascension of the WTO. Because with that ascension comes a fully convertible currency, what I've always talked about. The value, depending on how much currency you hold, if you're playing the futures market, a tenth of a penny's a lot. If you're playing the long game and you're looking for true value, the real value, then you're going to play the long game. Gang, gang. And you guys, 15 minutes is all I scheduled it for. Hope you guys have an awesome day. We get plenty of likes, plenty of loves. Put a number in the chat after we're done between 1 and 10, like you did last week. We're going to do this again. I either want to see that, purple hearts, purple hearts, or any colored hearts in the chat with numbers. If we get a bunch of those, I will do a report next week and we'll talk about something else. If we don't get good response, then we won't do the videos. But I think this is fun. Just a little tidbit. Keep with it. We got a lot going on, a lot of positive things. And if you're going to sell your dinars, reach out. I want to help you. Okay. You guys are awesome. Have a kick ass weekend and we'll talk soon.